put baby powder. I don't put baby powder on my balls.
Why not?
I don't know. Why
Have
do
you ever tried anything? Have you ever tried it?
No, I don't think I have. I can't say I have, Mark. Yo, Mark. No, get in the gun. Get in the gun. I'll drive us around.
Get in the gun?
Yeah, bro. Let's fucking murder these dudes.
You want me to transform into a fucking firearm?
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Yo, hold up. Let's hunt them down. Just gotta look for Killjoy.
Yeah, this game sucks for driving.
Yo, what the? Did you throw that? Wait, how
No.
could you? Yeah, oh fuck!
Behind!
Shit!
Get
Yo.
back! Go
There he
back.
is! There he is!
It is right here! Oh my god!
Go kill him!
Help me, son of a bitch!
Holy shit! What the fuck was that?
Nice, go back into action.
Oh fuck! God damn it! Hold up! Okay, go. You gotta fucking hunt him down. Yo, there he is!
Gain the lead.
Why, he fucking killed me though. Yeah, I fucking died.
We're getting back here.
Where are
I'm
you?
a sitting duck.
I don't know where you are. Hold on, I'm looking. Gotta find my way through the vast corridors. Shit! I think I see him. On my map. How the fuck is he not dead yet? Oh, I got him.
Nice.
I feel bad for him. But not really. Vroom vroom. And they. Dooby dooby dap dap dooby dooby dap dap dooby dooby dap dap dooby dooby dap dap dooby dooby dap dap
Behind us, by the way.
Yeah. I'm trying to move backwards. It's hard, man, honestly. A lot harder than oh fuck!
Oh shit!
Get him! Yeah!
Got him. Yes.
Kiss our ass. Our collective asses. You know this map is
That should be the soundtrack.
actually. Oh fuck! Holy shit!
How did he do that? How the fuck did he do that?
He had a fucking like fuel rod or some shit. Or now we're vulnerable. Oh fuck! He's over there to our left.
Go get him.
Get him! Holy
Oh my god!
Gain the lead.
Got him!
Let's go get a car.
I think you have to wait for it to respawn. I don't even know if it did yet, but let's look for it. You blew it up. You didn't just kill us, you fucking blew it up.
Help me out, Roy!
Fuck you, Killjoy. I killed you, and now you don't have any joy.
Look, his ass! It's plumped up!
What the fuck?
It's
Oh, shit!
moving already!
Game over.
God damn it.